Hey guys, what is going on? This is Chris from TechBeard again with another video today. And we're actually going to be looking at the Govee Immersion TV LED backlight. We're actually going to do a quick unboxing of this, set it up, and I'll show you some of the features around it and then give my final thoughts. So let's begin. All right, so first off, you want to actually clean the surface of your TV where you want to place the LED strips with the included alcohol wipes. Once done, let the surface dry. While you wait, you can start measuring out the best area to attach the strips to, depending on the design of your TV. This kit is designed to fit 55-inch to 65-inch TVs. What I'm using currently is a 65-inch TV. Next, start attaching these strips to your TV. I actually love that Govee pre-measured the strips to fit the exact sizes of each side of your TV and connected them with a cord to make rounding the corners that much easier. However, it would have been nice for them to make this removable and sizable depending on the size of your TV. Okay, so once you have all the sides attached, you can then use the included clips to reinforce the corners. From here, you just need to install the control box. So this is the brains where you plug everything in, so the camera, the power cord, and the strips itself. Next step is just to attach the included 1080p camera to the top center of your TV. So this actually allows the light strips to mimic the colors that it's seeing on the screen itself. And keep in mind, you can actually attach the camera to either the top or bottom of your screen, just depending on what you think looks best. In my case, I chose the top. Okay, after you plug everything into the box itself, we can then get up to the setup process, which is pretty straightforward from here. First step is to attach the included orange cubes to the corners of your TV, along with, I believe it's in between each side of it, so you can match that up in the app itself. This is all used to calibrate the camera to the size of the screen that it's going to be mimicking. From there, you either need to download the Govee app or open that up if you're already within the Govee suite of products. I actually have multiple LED strips in my setup. So I already have the app here, so I open that up. and then I entered in the product code for this specific product itself, so I can then attach it to the Wi-Fi and then get it to the setup process itself. So guys, as you can see, these work so well. I really enjoy using them over the last couple of weeks. I think it really adds that extra layer of immersion when you're watching TV and movies. And I really like that you can switch between, you know, different parts of it actually lighting up versus the whole strip matching, you know, whatever majority color is on the screen. Really like that you are able to flip between those two, especially when it comes to like movies versus cartoons, or just, you know, animated movies in general. So again, I think it does a really good job with matching those colors on the screen, and honestly think this is a much better bang for your buck when it comes to comparing it against what Philips Hue has. That kit is really nice, but it's also around $200 plus, depending on what size that you're going for, and this one's only $70. So I think it's a much better bang for your buck, and I'll actually leave a link down below for where you can pick it up on Amazon. It will be an affiliate link, so if you do order through that, I will get a small commission. So just as a heads up. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and think about subscribing if you want to see more content on the way. And again, leave me a comment down below if you guys see anything in my setup that you want me to do a full video on, so I can get to that content very soon. But this is Chris from TechBeard. I'll see you guys in the next one. What the fuck is the name of these things?